Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial. And today we are going to show you guys how to remove user accounts. So first we're going to go to settings, go to accounts, other users, and you can see right here where it says mini-me, I can just go ahead and hit this remove button. Delete account and data. You can read all this right here so you know exactly what you're deleting. Then you hit delete, and then it removes that user. Now, you cannot delete an administrator if you're not an administrator. And I don't believe users can delete other users. I think you have to be an administrator to do all of that. All right, I do believe that is the end of our tutorial. Let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.